Bridgetown. Hi, Bridgetown families. It's Mrs. Wolf from the comfort of my own home, believe it or not. Just going to give out some awards for our 8th grade celebration. Sorry that we have to do this virtually, but we're going to give out the same awards that we always would, even if we were sitting in person. And there's actually kind of benefit to this because you will now have a recording of the awards. That's kind of cool. The award that I'm giving out right now is called the Bridgetown Spirit Award. This award is basically exactly what it says. These awards are given out to students who really just demonstrate great spirit. And these are not always just cheerleaders on the sidelines of sporting events. These are students who cheerlead for other students and root on other students as a teammate, who root on other students as a classmate, and who are sometimes even just partake in our spirit days and have fun with that. So these students will actually get a plaque, but it'll appear that they have a certificate here as well. But we chose 2 very special students, one male and one female, for this award. And again, here's just some of the criteria. They could be a student that's just visible in the community, show up to our sporting events, come to the games and cheer, come to extracurricular things. It could be a student that just partakes in our spirit days and is just a really good friend to other people and is there to root them on and cheer them on during the school day as well. So without further ado, we have 2 very, very suited, well-deserved students for this. And our first one is Mr. Jackson Lowe. If you ever came to a sporting event at Bridgetown Middle School, without a doubt, Jackson would have been there if he could have been. Jackson was one of Bridgetown's greatest supporters. He showed up to home games. He was on the sidelines. And most of the time, he was the one leading the cheering section, or sometimes even doing cartwheels down the middle of the gym floor during halftime. Jackson was a phenomenal cheerleader for Bridgetown. He was also a part of some sports teams. And even when Jackson was not in the game, he was on the sidelines cheering for his teammates as well. Just a phenomenal human being. Jackson, during the school day, was also very well respected. He was kind and respectful to classmates, but also to the adults in our building, and we very much appreciated him. So Jackson Lowe, thank you so much. You are very well deserving of this award. Our female award goes to Skylar Palmer. Skylar Palmer, if you walked into our building during a spirit week, you would have without a doubt seen Skylar Palmer dressed up in whatever the spirit day was, and she always took it to another level. She very much enjoyed spirit days and dressing up for those spirit days, and she went all out for them, and we loved that. But also, when students were having a difficult time throughout the year, she was very supportive of students and very helpful of some students who were struggling this year. And so we noticed that, we appreciated that, and we thought she was very deserving of this award as well. Like I said, both of these students will get plaques. We appreciate both of you, Jackson, Skylar. Thank you so much for being just loud cheerleaders and loud supporters of the Bridgetown Bobcats. And we certainly hope that you will go on to the high school and be one of the Highlanders' loudest cheerleaders as well. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this. Thank you for being phenomenal students in 8th grade. And we look forward to hearing what you do at the high school. Thanks.